Newsflash.
Russian leader Vladimir Putin says he prefers Kackles Harris to Donald Trump.
Firstly, Biden recommended all his supporters support Mrs. Harris. Here we are going to do that too. We're going to support her. She laughs so contagiously that it shows that everything is fine with her. Trump has imposed as many sanctions on Russia as any president has ever imposed before, and if Harris is doing well, perhaps she will refrain from such actions.
Russian,
Russia,
Russians,
Russian stooge colluded with Russia.
collusion,
Colluded with Russia.
Collusion.
collusion,
Colluded.
Collusion.
Suspicious behavior.
I am totally riveted by this story.
Colluded. Conspiracy, treason.
I keep forgetting I'm president.
Could it be that Mrs. Harris has been colluding with the Russians?